Hey guys, today we're going to do a video a bit different than normal. Today, if you want to know how to get floating islands easy, I'm going to show you how. Go single player. As you see, you'll have your own players. You want to get a new player, go on hardcore, just create it because you won't need it. Random name, submit, and then press play on that one. And depending on which one you want to find a floating island on, just or you can make a new world, which I'm about to do. So you could use another world, but I'm making a new world because all my other worlds have the floating islands, so I don't need to know. Just wait for it to make the world, and then I'll show you what you can do to find floating islands. So what you do here, once you've put your hardcore character, it has to be hardcore otherwise it doesn't work, into your world, find something that can kill you and let it kill you. It does take quite a while to get yourself dead. Okay, once you're dead, you'll want to wait for it to respawn you, but in hardcore, it doesn't actually respawn you, it respawns you as this ghost. So what you want to do is go very high, until you hear this different music, and then go left or right, whichever direction you want, and just wait until you see a floating island. See, here I found a floating island. So what you want to do once you've found it is go next to it and then go straight down. Sometimes it can take longer, or you can be really lucky and just float up, then you'll find it. So then when you reach here, you want to take a screenshot, which I'll just do. Take a screenshot, and then you want to save and exit. And then you want to, because the player you just had is gone now because you died with it, then play with a different character, then go to that same world and go the same direction as you did until you reach where you took a screenshot. You only take a screenshot just to make sure you remember where it is though. It was about here. So then you get some blocks. Ah! It's a bit harder if you're in the Crimson or Corruption, whichever world you have. No! Go away. Ah! So you just want to... I don't think I have enough blocks. If you don't have enough blocks, just go next to your pile up and just start digging for blocks. Or you can cut down trees to get wood, like so. Once you have enough materials, you can then go and pile it back up again. But I don't think I have enough. So, I got exactly 100. That should be enough. See, you can see these enemies coming, and you can see the water driplets. That means you're near the floating island. Go away. They are quite strong. So, you might want to try and get some upgrades before you go for them. So then, you've made it. It'll be easier if you have something like rocket boots, so you can fly around, blizzard in a balloon, things like that. And then in a chest, oh, I got really lucky this time and got a lucky horseshoe, because these ones are like one of the best for me that you can get from a floating island. They stop you from taking full damage, but the other thing you can get is a Star Fury. It does, I think, 22 damage as its normal self, and wherever your mouse cursor is, it rains stars down from there. And the other one you can get is a shiny red balloon. If you equip it, it makes you jump doubly as high. So that's all for today's video. Bye!